Hi guys, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. In this channel we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Your support is really appreciated. Today I'm back with another plug. It's a remote job. And without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. So the name of the company is Kokoroko and this is how their website looks like. Here it says the marketplace for customer services expert. We are gonna scroll down to get more information. So this is how Kokoroko works. So they say job security and fair pay. You get hired with legally sound contract and competitive fair pay. You enjoy total peace of mind and job security whether you're freelancing or looking for a stable position. Kokoroko has something for you. So you are also going to gain access to international work. You discover the worldwide remote customer service job opportunities you'll find nowhere else. So you work for exciting companies based everywhere from Lisbon, Istanbul to Johannesburg. So it is a work from home position. You're going to use your equipment in your own space and enjoy a work-life balance designed for comfort and productivity. So the remote first lifestyle allows you to work from home wherever you live. So you will be working for top global companies. So their broad company selection allows you to work with what interests you, not whatever is left. So here are current openings they have. They have a customer service associate in the Netherlands, and then there's this one in Germany. And then there is also a position of a sales advisor, and then there's this one customer service representative, German and English. So I'm gonna click on this one. So they are looking for a customer services representative and it's a 40 hours per week. So you should be able to work like 40 hours a week. They have multiple positions available. So you have to check out this website because you might find your next work from home job. So the application process is very much simple. You are going to register and complete your profile. Once you're done with that, you complete assessments online and then you apply for jobs via their platform. There will be interviews with companies. Lastly, you are gonna get hired. That's it from me, guys. I will see you on the next one and thank you so much for watching up to this far. Bye.